Today I'm going to be checking out and installing this ONWOTE wireless security camera. The benefit of a wireless camera like this, you don't have to run any wires or supply any power to it. It comes with a solar panel. All you have to do is screw it up somewhere outside your house and make sure you get some sunlight. Connects to your Wi-Fi, there's an app for your phone, and you'll be able to access the camera wherever you are just from your phone. Now let's see what's in the box. Sticker. Doesn't say FAFO, but it's a sticker. Solar panel. Pretty long wire. Mounting bracket. This is the camera. Got some antennas and stuff on there. Another bracket. And another wire. So there's your control buttons, power and reset, and has a slot for a card. So this bracket right here is for the solar panel. Screw it into the back, and then you can snug this up and get the angle right so you can point it at the sun. All right, let's see how easy this thing is to set up. I installed the app on my phone, and now I'll turn the camera on.
Press and hold the device power button to start the device. Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red. Select the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter your password. Please remove all film from the lens. Tap next. Put camera and phone at the place of camera installation. Press next to internet.
Wow, okay, it works. Now the camera's filming me, filming it. Wow, that's pretty cool. I suppose I could talk to people. Hello? Well, there's the feedback because I have them right next to each other, but it does work. You could do a screenshot, turn on the light. Wow. So now, if I do this right, I should be able to turn the camera and point it at my camera that's recording this video, and I should be able to see you. Right? Is that how it works? Audio warning and strobe light. That seems to work pretty good. Let's go install this thing. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with this camera. I, of course, can't tell you about the longevity of it because I just put it up. And I'm a little unsure how the solar panel is going to work. I had to mount it on the side of my house because the front of my house faces north. So I don't know how much sunlight it takes to charge this fully. We'll have to see how that goes. I'll put a link in the description down below. Just click where it says more and you'll be able to see more about this camera. Maybe it's something you'll be interested in. Thanks for watching. Me personally, I prefer the other system that I installed from ONWOTE. It's a hardwired system and it comes with 8 cameras. I'll put a link to the video up here if you want to check that one out. It's a little bit more involved of an install, but to me, I just like the way it works better because you don't have to worry about Wi-Fi or anything like that. And everything's stored on the camera. You can download the video whenever you want. I just prefer that system, but it is a lot more involved to install than this one.